Hello everyone. In this video, I am super excited to share how I whipped up this cool car animation using Blender 3. Up until last week, animation and modeling were like a foreign languages to me. But guess what? I stumbled upon this Instagram reel, got inspired, and thought, why not give it a shot with my own tool? I'm usually all about kit bash and pre-made models for my art. It's time to step out of that comfort zone. So, here I am diving headfirst into both modeling and animation for the very first time. This awesome car I found on a Sketchfab. To spice things up, I grabbed some texture from texture.com to create a cool parking lot vibe. I won't be talking your ear off in the video though. I've got subtitles ready for you. Just click that CC button below. So kick back, relax, and let's explore the world of car animation together. It's gonna be a fun ride. Quick break. If you like my art and want to spice up your space, it's on metal posters over on Displate. No pressure. Feel free to check it out. Costs nothing to take a peek. Okay, break's over.